One thing I want to talk about is stress and burnout. And, everyone thinks it's just some word, burnout doesn't really exist. They think it's doing a burnout in your car. But I think, as men, there's this whole caveman approach that you look weak if you say, I'm not coping, or you look weak if you say, I've got burnout and I need to take a few days to go plug myself in and recharge. It's a big thing out there. Not many people are talking about it. Macho man style, that you look weak if you talk about it. If you have a closer look at it, you go to the pub, have a few beers with your mates. Everyone's got some kind of stress. Doesn't matter, whether it's your job, your personal life. There's always something there. So what I've learned is that you can't avoid stress. It's everywhere. It's how you manage it and how you can react to it. And I have this thing that I constantly say to myself, don't believe everything that you think, because your brain will be racing with thoughts. And if you try and believe everything that you think, you'll wind yourself up in a mental institute. I don't want to sound like I'm an expert on how to deal with it, but make yourself aware of it and look into solutions out there and talk to people. It's a big thing, and it's something that definitely needs a bit more of a voice.